Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this PTC fan heater. It's a ceramic fan heater with 2000 watt fast heating surfaces. It is an electric fan heater for the bathroom, for example, and all other areas where you need a little bit heat power. For example, in the bathroom, it's an energy saving and quiet device with 90 degrees oscillation. Thermostat, overheating and tilt protection. For the living room, for office, up to 30 square meters. That means you have a 2-in-1 ceramic fan heater available in the heating and fan modes. In summertime, we can ventilate the room in hot weather, quiet and low power consumption, and the cooling effect is really good. We turn on the heater in wintertime to heat the entire room. 7 to 20 large area air outlet stereo transport. 70 centimeter high hull, built-in 2-motor heater. Up to 4-meter distance heating is possible. Maximum range is 30 cubic meter. The heating effect is 3 times as high as conventional fan heaters in the market. The dimensions are 74 to 28 to 28 centimeter, and the weight is 1,740 grams. So you can see it's lightweight. And efficient PTC heating technology is built in. The core is equipped with a PTC ceramic heating element, 2000 watt high power and an efficient heating. Additional U-shaped corrugated heat sink are used to conduct heat in 3 seconds, making it safer and more durable and so fast. We have 3 levels heating and cooling adjustment. The first level, natural wind, okay? That's for the summertime. It improves the air quality. Then we have 2 levels. That means 1,500 watt weak hot air and warm hands and feet. And level number 3 is 2,000 watt high hot air, warm your whole room as you like. 90 degrees oscillation heating is in the set too. Not only heating, of course, the wind is possible in summertime. 90 degrees rotation oscillation is too possible thanks to the stereoscopic rotation in the wind and wide angle range. 90 degrees oscillation, the heating output increased by 20%, which helps to distribute the warm air more evenly into the corners of the room. And silent noise reduction, 25 decibel, almost as quiet as a library. The fan wheel uses oblique air flow technology, which effectively reduces the wind noise and makes the room heating 12% quieter than conventional electric heaters on the market. A quiet airflow lets us sleep peaceful and work undisturbed in cold winter days. And multi-safety, overheating protection and tilt protection provide ultimate safety. CE certified, WO flame retardant, FRPP materials, and an improved rubber power cord makes our home heater safe and stress-free. The multiple safety protection covers our safety heating needs. Oh yeah, and we have a user-friendly design. Durable leather handle for easier movement. Stable stand prevents unloading without stacking and shaking. The tight match over prevents children from touching and burning, of course. But this is a nice heater. It is a good option to bring a good heat level into your rooms without using gas or oil. You can use electronic power with this Dovecina ceramic fan heater. It's easy. You have 2 points. There are off points. In the upper side and the bottom side are off options, and then you can go to the right side to make ventilation Then the second step is heating number 1, heating number 2. And the other side, on the left side, you have the rotation thing. That means rotation without heat. The first next step is then rotation with heat stage 1 and then heat stage 2. This all you can have with this stylish and easy to use ceramic fan heater with 2000 watt fast heating power. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.